Hello guys. Welcome back to Linux Things. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to pan and zoom specific portion of the video. First go to the kdenlive and import the video, which we need to edit. In this video, see here the letters typed in terminal are not appearing well. So I want to pan and zoom that particular portion of terminal. Now right click on the video. Select Add Effect, select Crop and Transform, and then select Position and Zoom. Now it pops a window as like here. Now we need to add keyframes. Keyframes are placed at the positions where we need to zoom specific portion. Let's add the keyframe at where the zoom need to start. And add one more key where the zoom level want to reach to maximum of what we set. And now add the key at the position where the zoom maximum level need to continue. And now add the key besides it to zoom out to be normal. Here are total 5 keyframes. From first key to second key, it's normal. Zoom starts here. From second key to third key, zoom starts to increase. Now the same zoom values continues up to fourth key. From fourth key to fifth key, zoom decreases to normal. Select the third key or the key at where zoom need to be high. Now we can drag out with yellow border. I am making like this. Now I am getting good view of terminal letters. We can also change values here based on coordinates. Copy this frame coordinates and paste them in next keyframe. This is for maintaining the same level of zoom between these two keys. See now. It's starting zoom from second key to third key. And zoom level stays constant from third key to fourth key. And fourth key to fifth key, zoom decreasing to normal. That's it, now we can render it. Let's render it to a file, to check. See here. Position and zoom applied perfectly. Working very well. Thanks for watching. Feel free to comment if any doubts. Please like and subscribe Linux Things for more useful videos.